Are you tired of wasting time on TikTok without making any money? Well, I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'll reveal 14 faceless niches on TikTok that can help you generate a passive income. Imagine making $8,000 per month with TikTok's creativity program. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's possible. Country or cities niche. I'm sure you're aware that traveling and exploring different countries or cities is an all-time trending niche. This account, Dubai0006, has 1 million followers and only posts videos of popular destinations, malls, and buildings in Dubai. I wouldn't recommend creating an account just for one city since it won't generate much traffic. However, if you're targeting a whole country, it would be a fantastic idea. Traveling and exploring different parts of the world is always exciting, especially for travel enthusiasts. Productivity tips niche. The next niche for TikTok is sharing productivity tips, hacks, and lessons. This account, Beginproductivity, has created an excellent account to promote productivity stuff. You'll notice these videos have cartoons or scenes from TV shows in the background, with subtitles added to share different productivity tips and lessons. People enjoy it because they always look forward to start being productive and achieving their goals. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 steps to 6-figure blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. Cartoon characters niche. You've probably come across videos or memes featuring a bunch of cartoon characters while scrolling through your feed. They tend to be funny, and some are related to daily life. This niche is very high in demand because people find them entertaining. As you can see, this account has been uploading videos with subtitles on Spongebob and has thousands of followers. AI tools can help you create these videos with subtitles. If you want to add a cartoon voice, use Parrot AI, an awesome voice generator. With its celebrity voice generator option, you can replicate any celebrity or cartoon character's voice. Spirituality niche. Another viral and faceless automation niche on TikTok is spirituality. I have noticed many people want to learn how to stay positive and be motivated, so it's a top niche to post content. This account, Spриalspirit, has more than 200,000 followers. It shares edited videos about spirituality using clips that can be easily found online. You can edit your videos by adding motivational subtitles or running a quote from an influential personality as a voiceover. Reading books niche. One of the most simple niches to create videos on TikTok is about books. This account called Dari_ shares book-related videos without showing their face and has managed to attract thousands of views. It's not just Dari_ though, as other book accounts are also becoming hugely popular. You can create videos by showing only the book's image that you can find on the internet. Search for different books online and include famous book quotes in videos with AI voiceover. Philosophical questions niche. You might not know, but asking various philosophical questions in videos is an interesting niche on TikTok. Daily Philosophy Questions is an account that posts intellectual and philosophy-related questions. You can check any video's comments. They are full of people guessing the correct answer. To find these questions, you can ask ChatGPT, which will give you plenty of questions. Upload an image and add the question as subtitles. I'm sure you will get a good response from this niche by posting regularly. Aviation Niche. Many people really enjoy aviation and are fascinated by airplanes. They can easily spend hours watching airplane videos. On TikTok, many accounts post airplane videos and get millions of views. You can easily find videos of airplanes landing or taking off at various airports. Just make sure to upload them with captivating captions and be consistent. AI World Niche. Posting AI-generated videos related to the world is one of the best niches on TikTok. People are fascinated to learn about how things would look after day 1, then day 10, then day 100, and how it will be further advanced. This account, AI World, has hundreds of videos, each with at least 1 million views. When you watch these videos, you'll see that they have gaming content running in the background, while images of scenarios such as wedding in the future and the world without men are shown. You can create AI-generated images from ChatGPT and add voice from 11labs.io. AI Comics Niche. AI-generated comics is an outstanding and trending niche on TikTok. If you see dubbed webcomics, this account posts AI-generated comics related to different scenarios. Every video has thousands of views, which is amazing. Using AI tools, you can create such videos in no time. I have an excellent website for you if you want to create comics. Check out Future Tools, where you can find all the AI tools in one place, including video generation, text-to-video, and much more. Retro Gaming Niche. The retro gaming niche is about uploading recordings of playing old games like GTA, Batman, Sega games. You might think it's a weird niche, but as you can see, these gaming videos have millions of views. People are actually interested in watching these games as they give them a warm feeling about their past when they played them. You can screen record while playing and edit it before posting. Instrumental Tutorial Niche. Piano tutorials are among the best niches for creating content and making money. If you know how to play the piano or any instrument, you can post tutorials so people can learn from your videos. Look at Keys Tutorials account. It has a massive following of 3 million followers. The reason why I like this niche is that you can get a lot of views because people would have to watch your videos multiple times to practice and learn to play the piano. Hip Hop News Niche. If you don't know, hip hop news also goes viral on TikTok. As you can see, Hip Hop News account is posting news about rappers and artists. It has gained more than 50,000 followers, which is good. No doubt it's a bit of a risky niche, as some news might receive thousands of views in a few hours, and because news gets outdated, it won't stay viral for more than a month. However, it seems like there are quite a few individuals who are interested in receiving updates about hip-hop news, just like they would for current events, and might consider following your account. Stoics Niche. Stoicism is another faceless niche through which you can generate money. You can take this example. The Great Stoic uploads high-quality faceless videos and gets thousands of views. You can drive traffic to your account by educating people about Stoicism. These videos motivate people to practice Stoicism and become a better person. Create videos by taking clips from online sources, adding subtitles, and playing a voiceover. Guess the goal niche. The last niche might shock you, but it's getting a lot of views recently. Just look at this account named AC_football95. It posts short football videos and lets people guess in the comments if it's a score. Each video has thousands of views, and people have guessed whether it's correct. It means people are interested in it. The best thing is that it's not a common niche, so you can take advantage of this opportunity and earn money. These are the top 14 faceless niches for creating content and earning from TikTok's creativity program. Pick your niche from this list and start posting regularly and earn money. Hey, before you go, check this out. I've got another video on your screen right now that's perfect for you. It's all about multiplying your income in ways you might not have considered. If you found today's tips helpful, I'm sure you'll find the next one even more exciting. Give it a click. I promise it's worth your time.